Stop spending hours comparing products and shipping times manually. In this video, we'll build an offline AI smart shopper powered by Gemma 4 that finds products, checks local vendors, and emails you a clean PDF report. Open source tech stack for local machine. Python, programming language. Flask, Python web framework. Allama, local LLM engine. Gemma 4, Google's open source local LLM. Markdown, Python parsing library. Gmail outgoing email. First, make sure your virtual environment is activated and run the Python application. Once the server is live, open your web browser and navigate to localhost. 5,000 to launch the app. Recommend 3 noise-canceling headphones under $300. Delivers 3 top-rated, budget-compliant product recommendations in seconds. Also, it generates an inline feature comparison table detailing pros, cons, and performance trade-offs. Simply type 2 to proceed with the second recommendation, Bose Quiet Comfort SE. Scraps multi-store options in seconds, surfacing price, active sales, shipping speed, local store pickup and return policies. Evaluates vendor value to recommend the overall best place to buy. And my favorite feature, you can send the entire recommendation report directly to your inbox as a styled PDF with just one click. This was the email sent by the tool. This is the PDF attachment in the email, which has all the details given in the tool's response. This is only a fraction of what this tool can do. Watch until the end of the video to catch all the feature breakdowns and full setup details. This tool isn't just for general tech or shopping, it's also incredible for gift finding. For example, let's ask it. Recommend a toy for a girl's birthday under $100. In just seconds, it gives us 4 tailored gift ideas. Look at the depth of detail it provides for every single item. It breaks down key features, age appropriateness, and trade-offs instantly. Stick around for a quick, step-by-step installation walkthrough to run this tool on your machine. The architecture of this tool. A user interacts with a web application on a laptop to submit shopping prompts. A local Flask server manages the application, rendering the HTML/JS frontend and routing requests to backend API endpoints. app.py Python script serves as a logic core, processing incoming requests, coordinating with the AI engine, and generating data. Allama enables running powerful large language models, LLMs, like Gemma 4 efficiently on local hardware. Gemma 4, the local large language model developed by Google that generates intelligent product recommendations and compares vendor details. This internal Python library takes the structured response generated by the AI model and converts it into a formatted PDF document. This system uses the SMTP protocol and a Gmail app password to securely send the generated PDF report to the user's email address. Check out the video description for the link to the full README document. It includes complete step-by-step instructions to help you install and run this application locally on your own machine. This entire web app is built using the Flask framework. You can download the full code from the link in the description, and be sure to check out the included walkthrough document for a high-level breakdown of how the code works. This is the index.html template that powers the user interface. It's completely customizable, so you can easily tweak the CSS and layout to match your personal taste or brand styling. Now let's try a holiday gift prompt. Suggest a Valentine's Day gift under $500 for my wife. Watch how the model instantly breaks down top-tier ideas across different categories, complete with pricing tiers and multi-vendor availability. Let's go with option number 1, the personalized jewelry. Notice how the tool immediately pulls up availability across multiple stores, complete with shipping and return considerations. Now let's go ahead and email these details straight to our inbox. We've built a tool that goes way beyond everyday shopping. It's also your go-to gift guide for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, and Christmas. And the best part, you just learned how to build a powerful local AI application completely for free. If this workflow helps you out, hit that like button and subscribe. It tells me exactly what kind of tutorials you want to see next, and it keeps this channel going.